Mathematical projects. Some mathematical projects that inspire students. Harmonograph. Harmonograph. A harmonograph is a drawing machine powered by the freedom of motion. It draws endless attractive geometric designs and patterns. In other words, harmonographs using nothing but swinging pendulums, an oscillating pencil or pen, and 3 to 4 minutes. Euler disk. Euler's disk. Euler's disk is a heavy disk and such a remarkable science toy that every science teacher should have one. The Euler's disk is for teaching the relationship between magnetics, momentum, and gravity. It perfectly demonstrates the conservations of every and introduces potential and kinetic energy. Euler's disk, invented between 1987 and 1990 by Joseph Pendick, is a trademark for a scientific educational toy. It is used to illustrate and study the dynamic system of a spinning and rolling disk on a flat or curved surface, and it has been the subject of a number of scientific papers. Archimedes Trammel. Archimedes Trammel. Archimedes Trammel, also known as the nothing machine or ellipsograph, is a mechanism that helps draw perfect ellipses. The construction of it takes a lot of time, but it is fun and very satisfying thing to play with. A trammel of Archimedes is a mechanism that generates the shape of an ellipse. When you start playing with it, at first glance, it really does seem to do nothing. However, if you figure out the mathematics behind it, you will see that you can produce many different shapes just by using that nothing machine. It might be the easiest mathematical way to construct. This project will help your students enhance their engineering and geometry skills. Wind ball. Make Do Wind Ball is a simple yet unique geometry project. Basically, all you do is assemble simple cardboards and turn them into a kind of art form. The main idea behind the project is actually quite abstract. It shows that there is no truly perfect sphere in this world. In addition, you can prove that spheres are made out of squares, hexagons, or triangles. Estimate pi. Estimate pi by dropping toothpicks. Unfortunately, most of the students only know pi as related to the circumference of a circle. However, pi is everywhere in nature and in the world of mathematics. One of the best examples to prove this statement is Boffan's needle experiment, which is about statistics. First, you measure the length of the toothpicks and draw lines and make the distance between lines exactly the same as the length of the toothpicks. Then you drop your toothpicks and count how many of them crossing the lines and how many of them not crossing the lines. Then pi will be equal to 2 power star, the number of lines toothpicks you drop, by the number of toothpicks crossing the line times.